Let me perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So let's get right into it. I also performed a similar test on my computer just to compare the speed of the Wi-Fi and check the difference between the download speed and upload speed on the tablet and on my computer. So in this case, as you can see, the download speed is 95 megabits per second, which is a huge difference compared to my computer, because on my computer I actually managed to get 895, so 800 megabits per second of a difference, which is tremendously high. Now the upload is 36.6 megabits per second, whereas on my computer I managed to get 86, so also quite slower upload speed. So unfortunately the Wi-Fi speed seems to be a little bit slower, well, huge difference in the download speed, and over half of it actually in terms of the upload speed. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.